Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you WeTransfer stuck on transferring. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If WeTransfer is stuck on transferring, what you can do first is head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar simply type in WeTransfer. Then once the search result loads, simply tap on the app and check to see that app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so once the app is updated the problems will be fixed. But for some reason if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply head over to your settings. Then once you're inside there, simply scroll down, tap on general, and now inside general tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the WeTransfer app and then simply tap on that. Now once you're inside the app, you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you're facing. So once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.